Understanding the 2025 Tariff Framework. Have you ever wondered how tariffs shape our economy? Well, get ready to dive into the 2025 Tariff Framework. On April 2, 2025, President Trump unveiled a trade policy focused on tariffs to boost our economy. A 10% baseline tariff was slapped on all imports starting April 5. But wait, there's more. Countries with big trade surpluses, like China, face rates as high as 145%. Yikes! Additional tariffs include 50% on steel and aluminum, 25% on autos, and 50% on copper. But not all goods are hit hard. Some, like pharmaceuticals, have exemptions. Let's talk about a contentious part: tariffs on Canada and Mexico targeting drug smuggling and immigration. These tariffs are meant to boost domestic manufacturing and lessen our dependence on foreign goods. But hold on. The U.S. Court of International Trade challenged these tariffs, calling them unlawful. As legal battles continue, businesses and consumers navigate through this uncertain trade landscape. So, what's the takeaway here? Tariffs are a double-edged sword, they can help or hurt. As these policies unfold, keep an eye on how they impact prices in your everyday life. Engage with your local representatives about how these tariffs affect your community. Tariffs are a hot topic. What's your take on them? Let us know below. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into global economics. Thanks for tuning in. The 2025 Tariff Framework is just the beginning.